What's the meaning of ampersand? Ampersand. 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 Ampersand.
The ampersand is a symbol that looks like the and character. It is derived from combining the letters e and t in the Latin word et, which means and. The symbol is primarily used in written language to represent the word and, or to denote a concatenation of items. It is commonly used in programming languages, web development, and graphic design. The ampersand is a ubiquitous symbol with a long history in various cultural interpretations, making it a versatile and recognizable icon.